Changan Automotive continues to push boundaries in the automotive industry with its cutting-edge electric vehicles, EVs, and smart technology. Recently, the company unveiled the Changan Shenlan SL03, a sleek electric sedan boasting a 700+ km range on a single charge. Equipped with an advanced battery management system and ultra-fast charging capabilities, the SL03 aims to rival Tesla's Model 3 and BYD's Seal. Its futuristic design, including hidden door handles and a panoramic glass roof, has already generated buzz in markets across China and Europe. In the realm of autonomous driving, Changan has partnered with tech giants like Huawei to integrate Level 4 autonomous features into its upcoming models. The Deepal S07, set for release in late 2024, will feature Huawei's ADS 2.0 system, enabling hands-free navigation on highways and urban roads. This collaboration underscores Changan's commitment to leading the global shift toward self-driving technology while prioritizing safety and user experience. Changan is also accelerating its global footprint. The brand recently announced plans to enter 20 new international markets by 2025, including Germany, Thailand, and Malaysia. In Europe, the Avatra 11, a luxury electric SUV co-developed with CATL and Huawei, will debut later this year. Meanwhile, Southeast Asia will see the launch of affordable EVs like the Changan Lumine, targeting budget-conscious buyers seeking eco-friendly options. Sustainability remains a core focus. Changan's new Chongqing factory, powered entirely by renewable energy, underscores its goal to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. The facility uses recycled materials for 30% of its production processes and employs AI-driven waste management systems. Additionally, the company has pledged to invest $15 billion in EV R&D over the next 5 years, focusing on solid-state batteries and hydrogen fuel cells. Sales figures reflect Changan's growing influence. In Q1 2024, the brand reported a 58% year-on-year increase in EV sales, driven by strong demand for the Benban E-Star and Shenlan series. Notably, Changan's exports surged by 120%, with over 50,000 units shipped to markets like the Middle East and South America. Looking ahead, Changan plans to launch 12 new EVs by 2026, including pickup trucks and crossover SUVs. The brand is also exploring vehicle-to-grid technology, allowing its cars to feed energy back into power grids during peak demand. With relentless innovation and strategic global partnerships, Changan is poised to redefine mobility for the next decade. Stay tuned for more updates as Changan continues to electrify roads worldwide. Changan.